Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all from Vienna, from UNIDO. I'm very glad to speak to you today. I thank my co-chair and the GMIS initiative, His Excellency Sultan Al-Jaber, Minister of Industry and Advanced Technology of the United Arab Emirates, for the constructive relationship between UNIDO and the United Arab Emirates in recent years. I hope that more such partnerships will be built by you all here at GMIS America. Ladies and gentlemen, advanced technologies are transformative for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals, especially SDG 9, promoting inclusive and sustainable industrial development, and for progress through innovation, which is UNIDO's mission. These technologies will also help to achieve SDG 2 and reaching a world without hunger. That is possible, but we must act now. Considering the challenges we see every day around the world, it is clear we must accelerate our progress, particularly on combating climate change and achieving SDG 13 on climate action and the Paris Agreement. Extreme weather events such as flash flooding, forest fires and droughts are becoming both more common and more unpredictable. In recent years, UNIDO has rolled out a number of pilot projects for advanced manufacturing in developing countries. For example, we reduced target emissions in the Colombian automotive sector through digital twinning. In Namibia, satellite imaging is now used to combat invasive species and thus increase food security. In Ghana, blockchain has been deployed to increase quality and transparency in cassava value chains. In 2021, our global call on clean tech and sustainable land management attracted 300 entries from innovators worldwide. Successful solutions included using AI to create urban-specific digital labs, clean and efficient batteries, and circular production for greener concrete. But we must all go further. The recent report of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change is a stark and clear warning. If we continue at our current pace, the ecosystem changes for people, planet, and prosperity will profoundly negative. So the theme of GMIS America, advancing global industrialization and net zero, is the right focus. To paraphrase Professor Joseph Stiglitz, advanced technology is not simply for saving labor costs. It can save our planet. It is vital that we work closely with private industry to decarbonize production. At UNIDO, we assist governments and manufacturers with greening their value chains, reducing harmful emissions through a circular economy approach, and enhancing resource efficiency. Social sustainability is also vital. Innovation can contribute to fairer trade and investment. It can improve industrial safety and human well-being. It can make business more transparent. But we cannot hope to achieve this without bridging the digital divide between developed and developing countries, which continues to grow. The gap between large and small firms has also widened during the COVID-19 pandemic, with multinational companies often far better equipped to transition to digital productions than SMEs. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, forging robust partnerships is key to reducing these inequalities. We must not leave SMEs behind. Governments, the private sector, the research community and civil society need to work together and complement each other. Forums such as GMIS can help us bridge the gap between dialogue and action. I wish you all success and hope that we will move forward together towards progress by innovation. Thank you so much.